Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm testing out a new viral blush hack, and that means we do the blush before the foundation. I was like, is this going to work? Let's find out. I'm going in with the e.l.f. Mint Melt Primer. That's on this moment my absolute favorite. And leave that on the skin for 30 seconds. So what we are going to do next, the first step is the liquid lipstick. This is the Colourpop / Illusion or something. Sorry if I pronounce it incorrectly. But this is the Ultra Matte Lip ARRIBA. What they did, and this is so scary. I'm very scared about this part. Help. Okay, they did the blush like here. And then all the way the nose. And then like this. Oh, it's a little bit crooked. Then they took the beauty blender and they're going to blend this out. You have to be very quickly because it's liquid lipstick, and if you're not quick enough you got very big lines on your face. Oh my god. It almost looks like a Halloween makeup. I don't think you need this much at all. Okay, but that said, just keep bouncing. I'm looking like a clown gone wrong. Oh my. Okay, and this is what I mean. If you wait too long or you're not quick enough, you get lines. You see here that line? I can't get it off there. So this is a way I never do and never will do again. It's not for me. I think if you take 2 dots of the liquid lipstick and you place it here and there and you blend that out, and you do the same at this side, and I don't know why they do the nose, but okay, it's like a big strawberry now. I think you come a long way if you do it with 2 dots and just blend that out and keep it fresh, keep it light, you know, you don't need this much. And they also did it on the forehead. Oh, that's too light. So I'm just going 1, 2, 3. And I'm just going to blend that out. You see, you got also the pigment, and it's enough, you know. This for me is enough. And you know, I don't like the full coverage, but in this case we need it. Otherwise we are staying like this all day. I don't like that. Okay, now I wanted to grab my foundation, but no, we're not going to do that. We're going to go in with the e.l.f. concealer. We're going to use a whole lot. That's that. Then I'm going in with my contour palette, because we go on top of this with the foundation. So we are going to cover up a lot of what we've done here. It feels to me like a waste of products, good products. Okay, this is a way I don't do my makeup at all. I'm not feeling that comfortable. Okay. Sponge. Oh, this is where I was afraid of. It's turning pink. I hope it's worth it. I don't think so. Oh, it's going to be one big mess. When you thought it couldn't go worse than this, it did. And this is what I was afraid of, that it's going to be one pink mess, you know? That your whole face is going to be pink. Oh, I really have to work. Work. Hi. Do you want to go on a date with me like this? No, I don't think so. Okay. I think I need a little bit more of this because it's too dark over there. Yes, it is. So, oh yes, I look so beautiful. Let's go in with the foundation. I can't wait. And I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Full Coverage CC Cream. The 140 and the 120, and I'm going to use from both one dot. So, and I'm going to mix that up. I'm using ways I never used before. Do you see what I mean? I'm turning pink. Okay, I have the feeling that these are two hacks in one. The blush hack and the I don't need that much foundation hack. Okay. And in terms of that, we're just going in with another layer of foundation. Inbound, inbound, and the nose. Okay, I think I never looked like this before. So, was this a hit or miss? I think we all know that this is a big fail. Okay, normally I'm naturally yellowish undertoned. Now I am pink undertoned, but really pink undertoned, bright pink undertoned. Am I happy about it? No. No. Okay, let me do it my way, how I think this is going to work. So I'm going to take all this off and I'll be right back. So I'm back, I'm fresh. My eyeshadow looks like shit, but it's all for a good cause. So let's do it the way I think it's going to work. Just a few dots, bounce that around. Maybe 3 was already too much. Do you really want to blend this out? Not too heavy, just the right amount. Because you saw on my forehead, I did 3 dots here, I blended out. And then I did go over with the foundation. And that looked quite good, but the cheeks, the nose, no. I really felt like Miss Piggy. Then I'm going to conceal a bit more than usual. And I'm going to do it controlled with my brush and just tap it on top of the red, so we're not going to be pink again. The other side. Just drag it up because we want to lift the face. Oh man. Just work it in the skin. So something like this. Okay, it still looks pretty red on my cheeks. Then I'm going to get my nose right with it. Then we've got the contour, and for the sake of this video we're going to contour the nose as well. And I'm not a star at doing this. This feels so weird doing this without any layer of foundation underneath it. And that's what I'm doing. First foundation, then the rest. We're not doing it like normal. So I'm going to tap it on that cream contour. And you can make a little bit of circular motions to help it move. And I want to pull it up like that. Concealer, right there, right there. I'm going to use my foundation brush and just buff that in the skin. So. I still look pretty, don't you think? Okay, the nose contour. Buff it up to the brow. Blend it out downwards. I'm feeling like, okay, I only just need foundation on my cheeks and then I'm done, because everything else has so much concealer. And for my own feeling, I'm already finished. Yeah. Oh, I got a tiny nose. Too tiny for my face. I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it. So now we're going to buff that very harsh line here. And over there. Now the foundation part. I'm just going in with the same CC cream that I used previous. Okay, just mix it together. You know, I got a feeling that when you do this, that contouring before you apply your foundation, that everything is gone after that, because you put a full coverage foundation on top of it and then it's poof, it's gone. Why to go, yeah, why to do all this trouble if it's going away? You know what I mean? I think this is pure a waste of product. I'm done with the foundation and now I have the feeling that I have to do the contour again, because I lost it underneath all that full coverage foundation. Realize that I used the darkest, really the darkest color of the whole palette, and I lost it underneath all that foundation. I feel like I can't do anything with this, so I'm going to powder my face and I'm going in with some powders and look how the finished result is. I did what I said. I powdered my face totally. I did some bronzer. I did some highlights, you can see it, yeah. What I didn't do was extra blush, although I really want to, because along the way I lost the color. But I thought you need to see how it ended up. So, not so good. It's a total fail, it's a flop. It's nothing. Not for me, anyway, anyhow. Okay, and I'm just going to do now what I'm desperately waiting for, and that is doing my blush. I want some life back in this face. See the difference? Blush, no blush, blush, no blush. This is way better than what it was. See, I got some color back on my skin. And that is the real look that I want to see. So I did everything on forehand. I put my foundation on top of it, and then I start again because I did everything all over again. So I got 2 layers, and 1 layer I don't need. So pick the one you don't need. For me it's the first one. Yeah, this is too much for me. Okay, so this is the end of this viral hack video. Inside of me I laughed my ass off because I was very red and then I became so pink. No, okay, that's not done. So the hack is a total fail for me. Let me know if you tried it down below in the comments, because I am very excited to read if it's a hit or miss at your part. So I'm looking forward to see that. If you love to see more hack videos, just leave a comment down below as well. And if you are subscribed already, thank you so much. If not, please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my other videos. And I want to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!